Hey everyone, let me ask you this. Have you ever started a presentation from scratch only to feel completely stuck staring at a blank slide? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning, professional presentations from a blank template using WPS AI. This tool is a total game changer. It's like having a personal designer and content creator built right into your software. It's completely free. Before we begin, make sure you've downloaded WPS Office. I've dropped the link in the description below, so go ahead and grab it if you want to follow along. All right, let's get started. Once you've got WPS Office installed, open it up and click on Slides. This is WPS's version of PowerPoint. Now, instead of using a pre-designed template, we're starting with a blank slide. Don't worry though, this is where the power of AI Generate comes in. It's going to do all the heavy lifting for us. Here's how it works. Click on the AI Generate button in the toolbar. WPS AI will ask you to describe the topic of your presentation. Let's say I'm creating a presentation on the future of work, AI plus humans. I'll type that in, and the AI will start building the structure for the slides. It automatically pulls in relevant data and organizes it into sections for you. Once the outline is ready, you can review it, make any adjustments, and then move on to the fun part, choosing a design style. Now that we've got the content, it's time to make it look amazing. Click on Choose Template and browse through the design options. For this demo, I'm opting for a clean, modern style that really makes the visuals stand out. Once you select your template, WPS applies it to all your slides instantly. It's like watching your presentation transform before your eyes. Your presentation is already looking great, but let's take it to the next level. Use the AI Beautify button to enhance the layout, colors, and graphics automatically. Want to tweak the content? Just select any text and use the AI Optimize feature. It can rewrite sections, suggest improvements, or even adjust the tone to match your audience. If you want to personalize the presentation even further, add your company logo, adjust the colors to match your brand, and swap out any images to fit your message. WPS makes this super easy with its drag-and-drop interface. Everything is intuitive, so you can customize your slides without breaking a sweat. Once you're happy with your presentation, it's time to share it with the world. WPS lets you export your slides in multiple formats: PowerPoint, PDF, or even as a video. This flexibility means your presentation will look amazing no matter where or how you share it. And that's it. Now you have a stunning, professional presentation created from scratch in just minutes with WPS AI. This tool is a total lifesaver, and the fact that it's free? Absolute win. With WPS AI, you can create presentations in a fraction of the time it would typically take. If you haven't already, download WPS Office using the link in the description and give it a try. Trust me, you'll never look at presentations the same way again. With WPS AI, the possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity shine. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for more productivity tips. Oh, and before you go, check out our next video where I'll show you how to get Adobe After Effects for free. Click the link on the screen or in the description to watch now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.